there is a bigger fight going on Earth, from which Avengers can't save us.
Our world is being faced by a challenge that we have never seen before. The number of fires in the Amazon is record high, 74,000 in just 2019. We must know that Amazon forest provides 20% of oxygen we need to survive. Unfortunately, this is man-made fire caused by clearing of woods for business to make paper to build concrete jungles. If we don't do anything, it is going to burn and choke us all.
Oh, how dirty is my food. I'm very thirsty. Oh, please help me, please. I can't bear this pollution.
Mixed garbage all thrown around. Toxic residue seeping into our groundwater and making people sick. Burning of garbage. Rivers shrinking. What are we up to? It is predicted that if we maintain the status quo as early as 2025, we may not have enough water for our basic survival.
We felt helpless. Can we do something to save this situation? We wondered at our circle time.
We studied our circle of influence.
We have identified 2 actions in our circle of influence.
We started to compost our leftovers from snack and lunch.
We planted 10 trees on the road outside our school. Anything is possible. All we need to do is make up our minds.